Hello friends. Now the topic is safety devices. Under the safety devices, the, our topic is circuit breakers. So before starting the circuit breakers, we have to discuss some important points. So in that, effect of current flow, है ना? Effect of current flow. What is the effects of current flowing in the copper wire or any conductor? So current flow in a conductor always generates heat. Yes, definitely. Whenever the current is flowing in any wire, in any copper wire or in any conductor, then it means heat will be generated, you know. If the amount of heat increases, sorry, if the current is increasing, then more and more heat will be produced. That means in a copper wire, current and heat both are directly proportional. Means increasing the current, it means increasing the heat. So excess heat damages the electrical device. If the current is increasing, then more and more heat also produced, and this heat will damage the copper wire and conductor. Okay, so that is the problem. And excess current coming from where this excess current is coming, you know. So excess current is also known as ओवर करंट, है ना. ओवर करंट का मतलब कि जब करंट बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाती है तो उसको ओवर करंट कहते हैं. ओवर करंट मे बी अ रिजल्ट ऑफ शॉर्ट सर्किट एंड ओवरलोड. मतलब कि शॉर्ट सर्किट या ओवरलोड जब भी होता है तो ये ओवर करंट या एक्सेस करंट प्रोड्यूस होती है. आफ्टर दैट ओवरलोड. व्हाट इज ओवरलोड? An overload occurs when too many devices are operated on a single circuit. I'm taking an example. In our houses, there are so many electric switchboards are available. So in that electric switchboard, है ना, let us take a one electric switchboard, and we are putting four plugs, four devices we have to put in a single electric switchboard. AC, cooler, refrigerator, and washing machine. We have to connected these four devices to a single electric switchboard. So in that case, what will happen actually? The load is provided to the electric switchboard is so much high. Yes. Okay. So in a electric switchboard, there is some specific load. Okay, there is some specific load in the electric switchboard, but the load we are provided to the electric switchboard is more than that, you know, is more than that. That means the load we are provided to the electric switchboard is in very high amount. That's why this case is overload, है ना. The load we are provided is over, means it is overload. In that case, overload situation will arise. So it's another definition is also when electrical equipment is made to work beyond its rated capability. So इसकी दूसरी definition ये हो गई. Let we come to the short circuit. What is short circuit actually? Short circuit actually it is a low resistance path which occurs when a wires touch itself. Means एक वायर खुद से ही जब टच होगा तब शॉर्ट सर्किट जनरेट हो जाएगा, तब शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा. ठीक है. तो इन दिस केस a current flow through the circuit is 1000 times greater than the normal operating current. In the case of short circuit, the whatever the normal current है ना, multiplied by 1000, this current will starts to flow in the case of short circuit. Means 1000 times greater than the normal current starts to flow in the case of short circuit. If we compare the short circuit current to the overload current, so which current is more, you know, that is a question actually, which current is more dangerous, you know. That question also arises in that topic. So obviously short circuit current is more dangerous. Why it is more dangerous? Because in the case of short circuit, 1000 times greater than the normal operating current, you know. But in the case of overload, only 100 times greater than the normal current is starts to flow. So definitely short circuit is more dangerous than the overload current. So now we will come to the circuit breaker, you know. Why circuit breaker is needed? Why it is needed? Because the above two terms we already discussed. overload and short circuit. These are the two most big problems, है ना? These are the two big problems because short circuit and overload, if that things happens, means overcurrent will starts to flow, and in the case of overcurrent starts to flow, this overcurrent uh, directly come to our home appliances, है ना? Means washing machine, AC, fan, tube lights, anything, any appliances. So it may be damage. So due to the high current, or in the case of overload and short circuit, our home appliances, our electrical appliances may be damaged, you know, it is a chance of damaging. So uh, to prevent from this type of damages, we are using circuit breakers. So now we will come to the circuit breakers. Circuit breakers is an electrical switching device which is used to protect electrical equipments from short circuit and overload. So circuit breaker is also, we can also uh, take the definition ki circuit breaker is an electrical device which is used to protect our electrical appliances, है ना, from any damage. Okay, now circuit breakers are the updated version of the fuse. जी हाँ, सर्किट ब्रेकर जो हैं वो अपडेटेड वर्जन है फ्यूज का, क्योंकि फ्यूज में हमने देख लिए हैं, है ना, वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड दैट इन अ फ्यूज व्हाट इज द बिग डिसएडवांटेज. So many times more and more current will come, and so many times we have to replace the copper wire from the fuse, है ना, because if high current is coming, means the fuse copper wire melts, है ना. So we have to change the copper wire, means replace the copper wire, we can say, and replace the copper wire, and it is a time consuming process. So that's why circuit breakers are the updated version of the fuse, because it does not requires any time consuming process. Now the types of circuit breakers. How many types of circuit breakers? There are three types of circuit breakers. First, the first one is most common circuit breakers. I think everyone this circuit breaker's name everyone know, miniature circuit breaker, that is also uh, named by MCB. Second, molded case circuit breaker, MCCB. Earth leakage circuit breaker, ELCB. These are the three main types of circuit breakers. Okay, I hope you understand very well. Circuit breakers that protects electrical equipments या electric circuit, है ना, these are the MCB and MCCB. These are the actually categories of the circuit breakers, है ना. The circuit breakers that protects electrical equipments या electric circuit, है ना, these are the circuit breakers, especially MCB and MCCB. And one more circuit breaker, the circuit breaker that protect human body, है ना, the circuit breakers that protect human body is called ELCB, है ना. That is very famous circuit breaker, and that circuit breaker is can be used in houses also. Thank you so much.